you've never used a gimbal before, this might be quite tricky to get used to. There's loads of moving parts. It's not as easy as they show it in the commercials to get started, but once you get hang of it, this should really improve your video quality. So it's a really well packed box. It's quite small, but inside it, two more things. So this must be the tripod. Okay, I was wrong, this is not the tripod. USB charging cable, which is really good. The original Osmo Mobile had this really weird 3.5mm jack looking charging thing, which was annoying because you couldn't use anything else to charge it with. Tripod. Whoa. It's quite heavy.